Thing 5 is collaboration. So we're going to go over to Google again, just like we did in Thing 4, down to Drive. We're going to go to Shared with Me this time. So as you can see, there is different things that you can share or have been shared actually to me. And if we go to My Drive here and let's just click on this that I've been working on, you can go over to this button here that says Share. You just click share and you can type in their names or you can actually get the link. So you just click on that and then it gives you the link and it's copied to the clipboard. You can see that we don't actually need that today, but you can see that you can share and it's really good for students to work with other students, and Google Drive is a good way to get them to do that because it automatically saves and different things like that. Another good website is Doodle. So Doodle, as you can see, is free. It's a great way to decide dates, plan things. So if you want to see times that people are available, conference calls, you can invite people to join, connect to your own calendar, personalize, and just kind of write all over the place. It's a great website for students to use. Also, like if parent-teacher conferences, different things like that. The last one is Lino, and we're actually going to watch a video on Lino. So I think you guys get the idea about that one. So that's thing 5. Lino is actually really nice to use because it's also a great way for students to make a vision board. You want students to make a vision board to see where they want to be in the next week, the next month, the next 5 years, whatever, so on. So it's also a great way to not use sticky notes and you can save trees that way. So that's thing 5.